Hello all, welcome and welcome back again for another amazing video, and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us. So in today's video, as you can see the details of this bed. One of my clients did order this bed before she knew us, or before she knew All Things With Us, and as you can see on the screen, the guy who made her the bed, you can see the details, they were a bit off. She didn't like the details in this bed. You can see the tufting, also the pins that the guy used, they are not of the same size, not the same color. You can see there are silver, black and gold pins on these, and the lines are not even straight. So my client didn't like the end results of this bed, and then the leather started to peel off, as you can see in the next clip here. This one, you can see the leather was starting to peel off. As I said earlier, the client decided to call us so that we can transform this bed to something new, something more better, that she will like it. So I started by ripping off the black lining that you saw in the start, and this is the back of the headboard. This is the materials the guy did use, and I started by ripping off everything, as you can see in this clip here. I did remove everything so that I can start remaking the bed, or transforming the bed into the new design, into a new design that my client decided to go for. So now, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. If this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel also much welcome. Kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. So now, because the guy did use a sack for this headboard, I'm going to be using a plywood, and I'm going to nailing it down, and then I'm going to start making the design that my client decided to go for. Anyway, don't forget to like the video, comment on it, tell me what you think about it. Don't forward watch till the end so that you can see all the steps, materials and tools that I used in this video.